Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a DIY aloe vera and banana conditioner. So I'm using some agave, olive oil, honey, coconut oil, aloe vera, and banana and some essential oils. So as you see here, I am cutting up the aloe vera. I got this from my local market. It was about $1.79 each, and they are pretty large, so you only need about one. Now I chose aloe vera because aloe vera is great with the detangling hair, and it can help treat dandruff and moisturize your hair. And I also wanted to make a conditioner that was going to allow me to detangle my hair. Because I'm a 4C girl, and y'all already know when it comes to wash day into your conditioners, you need some conditioners that have great slip so that you can detangle your hair and prevent breakage. Now, I would say an easier way to get the aloe vera out of the skin is to use another knife and just cut it again horizontally versus using the spoon, because that was kind of difficult, as you can see. If you guys have ever used aloe vera on your hair, please leave a comment below and tell me how was your experience. I've also used aloe vera to detangle my hair, and I ended up doing a twist out with it, and my twist out came out pretty, good. It gave my hair a hold as well. So let me know how your experience with aloe vera went. So next I'm going to use half of a banana, and I chose banana because this is also great for moisture and for detangling. It's going to add slip to the conditioner as well, and it also is going to help to thicken the conditioner up because I do like to have a creamy conditioner. So whenever I'm making my own products, I try to use ingredients that are going to give me a creamy consistency. And I'm also using a off-brand NutriBullet that I believe I got at Walmart. Probably was like $20 or less. And honestly, you guys, I shouldn't have blended the aloe vera and the banana together by itself because I was trying to strain it to get any of like the banana seeds out or any like chunky pieces. And I wasn't able to do that. Like, it took forever. So when you guys are making this, just put all of your ingredients into the container and then blend it together. So here I'm using an avocado, and I'm only using half of one. Chose avocado because I love its creamy consistency, and that's going to thicken up my conditioner as well. It also strengthens the hair due to its protein content, and it's going to add moisture and shine as well. Next, I'm using organic honey. I got this honey at Walmart as well. I think it's about a 16 ounce, and it wasn't that expensive either. I didn't really use like a proper measurement. I just kind of put however many spoonfuls of honey that I felt like I needed. So for you then you just add as many as like you need. This isn't really an exact recipe. And I've made this conditioner twice. The most recent one, I just eyeballed everything. So it doesn't really matter just what you put in there or what the exact amount is. I just want to make sure that I had good ingredients. And I chose honey because honey is a humectant. It's going to draw in moisture. And of course, we always love our hair to be moisturized. And I don't have a video of me using this particular conditioner, but it did make my hair feel very, very soft. So adding, the honey, the agave, and the oils will definitely help. Also including the aloe vera helped to give my hair some moisture. Using coconut oil as well. As you know, coconut oil can help seal in moisture, give your hair strength and shine. If you're protein sensitive, you probably should not use coconut oil because it does have a lot of protein in it. And also this conditioner already has avocado, which has lots of protein in it as well. Next, I'm using agave. This is my very first time using agave. And once again, I just eyeballed the amounts. I just put however many I felt like I should add. And agave is going to act like honey in the fact that it is an humectant. So I decided to try it and see how it worked, and it did pretty well. I did like the conditioner. Now I'm using olive oil, which is also can strengthen your hair, and I want to add oil because I want to make sure that my hair didn't get dry or anything like that. And I also feel like oil just like brings your conditioner together. So now we're going to blend all the ingredients together. And you don't necessarily have to use a blender or a NutriBullet. You probably could get away with using an immersion blender as well. But for me, a NutriBullet is just easier. I will be uploading a video of me using this conditioner, but it does have a little bit different ingredients just because, I'm not going to always have the same products. So, only difference with the one that I made recently is that it doesn't have agave in it, only has honey, and there's no coconut oil. And then I used soybean oil instead. And it also ended up being a lot thicker. I also used baby bananas instead, and those weren't as soft as the whole regular bananas, but I'm sure the conditioner will work the same. I'm going to upload a video of me using that soon, so stay tuned. So now I'm adding in the essential oils. And I believe I added 90 drops. Usually I add my essential oils based on the amount of ounces the product is, but I actually didn't like measure it, so I just kind of eyeball and use 90 drops of 3 different essential oils. Not sure which ones I use, but I normally like to use rosemary or lavender because those promote hair growth and they prevent dandruff, but pretty sure I had like ran out of those, so I think I used at least eucalyptus and tea tree oil, and I believe peppermint because those are also good at preventing hair loss, as well. They're also antimicrobial as well. Bacteria can also stunt the growth of your hair, so I want to make sure I use products or ingredients that serve a purpose. So now, as you can see, I am now straining my conditioner, and this is just so that there's any chunks in there or seeds or anything that is not creamy, especially since because I use the banana, I want to make sure that there's no chunks of bananas in the actual product. So I use a mini strainer. I got this at Family Dollar. And I'm just gonna stir until I've strained the whole product. And I do this for all of my conditioners that I have banana in, just because banana will leave you chunks in your hair. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.